something like the late 18th century, where you had the steam engine and the industrial revolution, and there was this distinct difference between what people were capable and what machines were giving you. And then this was this new discipline that emerged, where can you connect people to technology better so that people have the edge over technology, or people can harness technology in the best way possible.
I guess product design is one of the few disciplines which, as Bhaskar put it, is a mother discipline. It covers a lot of different aspects.
In India, it happened after independence, and you might have heard about the Eames report that came in and that led to the establishment of NID. And product design was one of the initial disciplines that came as a result of this.
You had engineers, you had doctors, you had lawyers, you had everything else, but product designers like now, I guess, is not very good. Formally speaking, it's a new discipline.
So that's kind of the short history of product design.
In product design, you're expected to be able to make everything from a matchstick to, a Bugatti Veyron. So it's like scope of what you actually end up making is pretty fantastic.
You would have heard many people saying this, everything is a product. So that is a cliched statement, but that is the truth.
I think the first thing is it's very important to have great ideas, but the ideas need to be rooted to a context. So what is the issue, what is the problem, what is the situation? And then what is your point of view? And if you have an idea, as a product designer, you have to make it work.
You are faced with so many options. So you have to take a call and find out what it is that you really want to do. So decision making is one thing that every product designer really learns at NID.
So from an idea to a prototype to experiments with actual people working or interacting with the prototype.
In product design, the awareness has increased a lot of late. They didn't know that it makes a difference to hire a product designer along with an engineer.
So the difference between any other creative professional and a product designer would be, all of us are creatives, we can think about interesting ideas. We will make sure that you actually build and test the idea. And that really transforms you from being just another creative person to somebody who actually makes things work and demonstrates it to the world.
It goes without saying, they have engineers and they have product designers. So they know that it makes a huge difference. So when these two minds come together, the resulting product is something that can really make a difference.
Future of product design is something that's a very, very interesting area and something that's going to be very fascinating to look at and to be a part of. So I think there's a great scope for product design in the future. For example, now you have rapid prototyping, you have casting in silicon, you have laser cutting, you have 3D printing. These are all processes that are now taking over from traditional prototyping processes because they allow you to simulate in materials that are close enough to the actual material of the product, and the materials that are very easy to work with. It's a huge, ever-changing discipline. It's not as if it's almost like a huge octopus. You think that you've covered 3 of the legs, and then you remember that, oh shit, there's still 5 more legs that you have to deal with. And at the end of the day, you're supposed to be able to wrestle with the octopus and make sure that you manage to put it in the best possible container and give it to someone. That's how you make a product.